Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your ChargeHub membership for roaming charging, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your ChargeHub membership for roaming charging, begin by visiting the ChargeHub website. Log into your existing account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option to create a new one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the profile section located in the main menu. In the Profile section, look for the Membership tab. Click on the Membership tab to access your membership details. Verify that your membership plan includes roaming charging. Next, find the Roaming Authentication section within your membership details. Click on the Authenticate button to start the authentication process. You will be prompted to enter your roaming credentials. Fill in the required fields, including your roaming username and password. Double-check the information for accuracy before submitting. After submitting, wait for a confirmation message indicating successful authentication. If you encounter any errors, review the entered information and try again. Once your authentication is confirmed, you can start using roaming charging services. To ensure everything is working smoothly, test the roaming feature at a nearby charging station. If you experience issues during testing, refer to the troubleshooting section on the ChargeHub website. You are now fully set up to enjoy roaming charging with your ChargeHub membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.